again! Kumusta po kayong lahat, guys? And I hope your family and you are just well and fine, and everything is just fine also. And today, guys, I'm so excited to share to you a simple recipe yet very healthy, and especially shout out to all the mothers out there. Maybe this is the way that you can give your kids na kumain ng gulay. Because some kids doesn't like to eat or lazy to eat vegetables, so maybe this is the way. So if you are new to this channel also, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, watch the video and subscribe, and you can do like and leave a comment so that I can also visit you. And also, guys, this is the by the way, this is the spinach, native spinach that we are going to cook. They call it here puniganti kura, but in our place this is native spinach. And you can also use the spinach having the big petals, and also the water spinach, or we call it in our place kangkong. And this is also good for the people who are doing diet, because in this recipe it combined with vitamins and proteins, so it's like a complete package without eating meat. So I hope you will stay tuned until this video will finish. So let's come and go to our kitchen. So guys, these are ingredients for making spinach chutney. We have here 1 bunch of spinach already washed, and we have also 4 pieces of garlic cloves, 5 pieces of green chilies, optionals, just to make it chili, a little chili, and 3 pieces of medium-sized tomatoes cut into halves. And we have protein substitute, the black grams. Black gram is just like green monk. The difference is just their skin or peel, and also peanuts as your protein as well, and also ripe tamarind. If you don't have, also you can use lemon and sugar, and also the curry leaves, and also this coriander leaves. And we need also some dried red chilies, and mustard seeds, and also cumin seeds. But don't worry if you don't have all these, guys, you can just fry normally. How do you call this? I forgot the name of it. So this is it, guys. Granny, she likes it. Kawali, Granny? Granny. She feels shy too. Yeah, Granny. Hi, Granny. Baunda. Bagunara, Granny.
Baguna. Thank you.
She likes this one, guys. Taste, Granny, taste. Chudo. Salt, chudo, Granny. I'm asking her to check the salt. Salt, chalo? Chalo? She likes it. You like it, right? Me and Granny likes it. Enjoy eating, Granny. Actually, Granny, she cooked this one. What is that, Granny? Shrimp?
Huh?
Inti?
Chicken.
Ah, chicken. Granny, she cooked chicken curry. She ate first that vegetable. She's waiting that one, actually. So yun guys, kain na tayo guys. I'm so hungry. Ako na lang mag-isa kasi nga gutom na din sila kanina. Tapos pinauna ko na lang sila kasi nga pinakain ko pa yung aso namin. So nagkakamay ako. Ganito lang siya guys. I-mix nyo yan sa kanin. Masarap talaga siya. Naging paborito kasi namin to. Kaya requested palagi ni granny ko. Yan. Masarap siya guys. Promise. Subukan nyo. I really like it. It's not because I'm the one who did it, but nagtatalo kasi yung alam niyo yung may peanuts doon, tapos yung black grams, tapos yung leaves, tapos yung parang may sweetness and sour na nagtatalo kasi nga dahil sa how do you call tamarind, ripe tamarind na hinalo. Kasi yung tamarind ripe siya, so may pagkaasim na matamis, pero hindi siya talaga maasim. Less lang kasi konti lang naman siya. Tsaka yung peanuts din, it will give a little sweetness. So, yun nga, nagbabalance siya. Tapos yung how do you call that? The leaves of the peanuts are almost blunt, like blunt in taste. So, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button in there. And if you like this video, you can also share to your friends, your family, so that they will also have this idea. And I hope to see you next time. Nasana, if you're able to do this, I hope you can, how do you call this? Do it and make a video and post in my vlogs, or do comment, so para malaman kung gumawa ba kayo or hindi. So I'm so excited to hear your views about this. And just stay safe, everyone, and always spread love, and hope to see you next time. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. Kain muna ako ha, kain muna ako.